April 16th, Anthropic released Claude Opus 4.7, the biggest upgrade in months. On the exact same day, OpenAI dropped a massive update to Codex. Not a small update, a complete expansion of what Codex can do. Computer use, memory, 90 new plugins, image generation, an in-app browser, automations that run tasks across days without you touching anything. The two biggest AI coding platforms both got major upgrades on the same day. Today, what Codex actually is, for anyone who has not used it, everything what changed in the April 16th update, and the honest comparison to Claude Code, so you know which one to use. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha by Mario, let us get into it. Quick context for anyone who has not heard of Codex. Codex is OpenAI's AI coding tool, made by the same company as ChatGPT. If Claude Code is Anthropic's coding agent, Codex is OpenAI's equivalent. Available three ways: a desktop app for Mac and Windows, a command line tool similar to Claude Code's main interface, a VS Code extension. 3 million developers use Codex every week. Claude Code 7.7 million VS Code installs. Codex 6.1 million. These are the two dominant AI coding tools in the world right now. Before April 16th, primarily a coding assistant. You described what to build, it wrote the code, ran tests, fixed issues. That is still accurate, but no longer the whole story. OpenAI called this update Codex for almost everything. Here is what that means in practice. Computer use. Codex can now control your Mac, its own cursor, sees your screen, clicks, types, multiple agents running on your computer in parallel while you keep working in other apps. Practically, test a native Mac app without writing test code. Iterate on a front end, comment on what you see in the browser. Codex fixes it. Control apps that do not have an API, clicking through menus like a human. Memory. Codex now remembers you, your tech stack, your preferences, your recurring workflows. What is unfinished? Open Codex in the morning. It pulls open comments from Google Docs, relevant context from Slack and Notion, and gives you a prioritized list of what to tackle first, without you asking. 90 new plugins: Atlassian and Jira, Circle CI, GitLab, Microsoft Suite, Render. Not thin API wrappers. Each bundles skills, integrations, and AI capabilities together. In-app browser. Browser built into the Codex app. Open local pages. Comment directly on what you see. Codex fixes what you are pointing at. Front-end development. See the problem, describe the fix. Codex implements it. All in one window. Image generation, mockups, product visuals, game assets, inside the same workflow. Automations, schedule work for itself. Resume after a pause, work on something across days. Not just one session. Ongoing work that continues in the background. Codex versus Claude Code, the plain English comparison. What they have in common: both read your entire code base. Both write code, run tests, fix bugs across multiple files. Both run in your terminal and integrate with VS Code. Both included in their subscriptions. ChatGPT Plus for Codex, Claude Pro for Claude Code. $20 a month gives you access to both ecosystems. Where Codex wins: speed, faster on execution, focused tasks, cost efficiency, roughly half the tokens of Claude Sonnet for comparable tasks. Code review constantly catches more logical errors and edge cases. Computer use: currently only Codex has full background Mac control. Open source: the CLI is Apache 2.0. You can read it, modify it, build on it. Where Claude Code wins, depth of reasoning, behaves more like a thoughtful senior developer, asks questions before making assumptions, flags security issues proactively, better for complex architecture decisions and large code-based refactoring. More configuration, hooks, slash commands, sub-agents, Claude.md, the honest verdict. They are converging. The gap has narrowed significantly in 2026. Many developers now use both strategically. Claude Code for writing new features and architecture decisions, Codex for reviewing code, catching bugs, running tasks autonomously. OpenAI's Codex on April 16th expanded from a coding agent into something broader. Computer use, memory, 90 plugins, image generation, in-app browser, long-running automations. Same day as Claude Opus 4.7 and Claude Design. 3 major AI product launches in 24 hours. Honest answer on which to use? Start with the one you already subscribed to. ChatGPT Plus, Codex is already in your plan. Try it today. Claude Pro, Claude Code is already in your plan. Try it today. You do not need both to start. Pick one, learn it well, are you on Codex or Claude Code, and what do you use it for? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Subscribe for more plain English AI every single day. See you in the next one.